Welcome back, everybody. I'm Andre, and normally you focus on the meat when you're making burgers, but today we're going to focus on what's going in the burger and on the burger. You guys really seem to like these videos, like the smoked paprika, the smoked garlic, and the smoked onion powder. And I touched on how to use them in those videos, but today we're going to show you how easy it is to use them to make your burgers even better. And when it comes to the amounts, this is going to be a totally personal preference thing. You're going to have to play with it a bit to see where you're at. I know where I'm at, so I'm just going to add garlic. Come on. And some of the onion powder. And last but not least, to really make these flavors come through, you're going to have to add some salt. And I am adding just a touch of water just to help everything combine. Now the messy part, we're going to mix it a little bit. I know some people say don't work the meat too much. We're making smash burgers, so if I work the meat a little bit more than normal, it's okay because we're going to smash them anyways. Looks good. Nicely mixed without overworking the meat too much. Now I could get all fancy and actually weigh out the meat. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going about what I would eat. A little more. Now at this point you can make a whole bunch and just freeze them and then use them later. I might do that, but I'm going to cook what I want right now, and let's get that set up. I was going to do it outside on the grill for the smoker, but the weather is not very good today, so I'm just going to do it in here. I know it's not the same. Got a nice bun. Prep that. We're done that. This has just got to heat up quick. I got everything ready, got my smash burger thing. We're gonna use some butter, spatula, we're all ready. Nice and hot, we're gonna use some butter. Here we go. Burger down. Smash that thing good. Looking good. Oh my god, that smell from all those spices in there. I like cheese on my burger. I've just got some American cheese. Get that on there, let it melt, and then we're gonna put this thing together. I like mayo on my burger. I just whipped up some mayo. Do it yourself as well. Now I also said what we're going to do about on top of the burger. If you watch my pickling video, I've got pickles, the onions, and some jalapenos that we're going to put on and make this a fantastic burger. Couldn't help it. I wanted to make a double. Now this is a fantastic way to use those pickled onions. I probably should have drained them first, but that's okay. And the jalapenos, oh my god. Yeah. And I'm not actually putting pickles on my burger because I've got those guys. but I'm gonna just have some on the side. And that's how you use all those things that you made yourself. Make a burger like this. I'm gonna cut it in half, just oh, fantastic. It's nice and messy. It tastes fantastic. Using those spices in there just for me livens up that burger. It just adds to the burger. It doesn't take away at all. Try it. You're gonna have a fantastic time, fantastic meal. And all those extra condiments, make those pickled vegetables yourself. They're easy to do. Go watch the video up there somewhere. Yeah, and make your mayo. Do that as well. It's easy. I don't know, it's just so good. Anyways, everybody, thanks for watching. I hope you had fun. I hope you learned something on how to actually use your spices and condiments that you make yourself. Do it yourself, it's fun. And like I always say, you know what's in it. And that being said, thanks for watching and happy eating.